I'm here in Dubai Autodrome with social media star Supercar Blondie, and today we're in for an amazing adventure. We get to drive the titan of motorsports, the F1 car. How excited are you?
Dude, I don't know what you've roped me into here. This is insane.
It's going to be pretty amazing.
All right.
Okay, let's get booted up.
Let's do it.
This is one of the few places in the world where you can experience driving an F1 car for fun.
You cannot be prepared for that power. Woo! Buzzing. That bottom corner, put down your foot and it's like...
Put your foot down. Okay, any other tips?
Don't crash.
All right. Were you nervous?
Once you start driving,
Yeah.
you'll get the hang of it in no time.
Supercar Blondie has over 6 million Instagram followers and is known for her love of sports cars. But this was even a first for her.
Just driving that F1 car. That is unbelievable.
It's insane, isn't it?
Oh my God. I almost spun out as well. I think wait, at
yeah,
that
no,
one.
no.
Yeah, I was like, oh, like, please don't crash the F1.
I can't afford it.
I can't afford this thing. It's like an experience like I never knew I would want in my life, but I'm so glad that I've had it.
Yeah.
Yes!
Fist bump for that.
Nice.